What's up, guys? 10 ways of saying disgusting. 10 ways of saying disgusting. Karaawwan kudhanii fi kudhanii ol kan wanti wayii akka badaa ta'e dubbattu. Wanti kun badaa, wanti kun gaarii miti jechuu barbaadde karaawwan garagaraa kudhan barannaa jechuudha. The first one is that's gross. Woo! I don't like it. That's gross. I hate it. That's bad jechuudha. Okay, kun marti maal bakka bu'aa? Body bakka bu'aa jechuudha. That's gross. That sound is gross. It is terrible. It is terrible. It is awful. It is awful. It is horrible, man. Oh, it is horrible. She's not beautiful. She's bad. His behavior is bad. She is horrible. I hate it. I hate it. I can't stand with that. I can't stand. Once you're in Ghana, you can say, I can't stand with that. I can't stand with this music. Okay? I despise that. I despise that. I really don't like. I really don't like. Woeful. It's woeful. Her face is woeful. Means ugly. But it's woeful. It is revolting. It is revolting. Means it's really bad. That means. Fakkeenyaaf, how was your day? Guyyaan kee akkam ture? How was your day? Or howdy? Howdy? It was bad. It was bad. It was gross. It was awful. Haala kanaan ibsatu jechuudha. That's all. Bye-bye.